good nigga would take him a chance. I was backpedaling, trying to make an advance, knowing that words only a fraction in what makes you a man. So I plant both feet where I stand, put my heart in his pen, praying to God will help me make it a plan. Where I'm from, food ain't the only thing they make in the pan. When there's nothing in the cupboard, trying to stretch what we can. Late nights trying to scrape with some ends. What I take in the sins, mama had patience, but her patience was thin. I couldn't blame her, she was caught between a dream and a kid. And with a lack of opportunity, she did what she did. Trying to guard me from the immunity they place on the kids. Knowing it's hard, but thank God it's not as hard as it gets. Even when you couldn't find a handle in the assists, and I would have to tag along with you on some of your shifts. I remember feeling stuck, shit out of control, like I'm not trying to move again, so why we back on the road? I remember trying to balance out the highs and the lows. I recall going to funerals and burying bros, and what we learned is even if you make it your home, not every Cali neighborhood is always riddled in gold. I was trying to make the best out of everything I was told, cause you get one opportunity to make it your own. True story.